if you take a look, these are the exceptions that you have to memorize. So if you look at the periodic table, there's kind of a hint for it. Where's my laser pointer? So you see how it says silver? If you look at silver, silver is one exception by itself. It's always +1. But if you look next, the next exceptions, there's 2 of them. And if you look at the periodic table, they're right on top of each other. So you can kind of remember, all right, this is +1, and then these are +2. And it makes a backwards L on the periodic table. Does that make sense? So it's silver is Ag, and then you have zinc and cadmium. Zinc, cadmium, these are +2, +2, +1. And then up a little bit more, if you take a look diagonal, then you have aluminum. And that's Al +3. So kind of it goes in this order diagonal from silver. 1, 2, 3. You just can't forget about cadmium. Alright? So those you have to memorize. Just like on the last couple tests, you'll get a periodic table. So the first thing I recommend you do is on that periodic table is you label this stuff. And at the end of this packet, there's a periodic table I'd like you to flip to right now and label. Just kind of like what I did here. I would just kind of outline it a little bit in your pencil or just make it a little bit more bold around them and give them those charges, the +1, the +2s, and the +3, just so that you have it there, all right? Because we're going to keep adding to this periodic table in the back. What else should we add to this periodic table in the back?
The numbers.
Yeah, let's add the numbers while we're at it, right? So we have the numbers, the +1, +2, +3. All right, I'll flip back to that page. Well, yeah, add these numbers to it. The +1, +2, plus question mark, the 3, the 4. Again, that's all you're going to have to do